So does this look like a common problem for you? I got this really nice bucket with the hose goes in the bottom, really cool expandable hose, all in an effort to keep everything out here nice and neat and clean, and it just doesn't ever seem to work. So I have an answer for this today. I do believe I have an answer for this. I have a kit which was sent to me. They asked me to do a review, gave me no instructions. They said, we'll just send it to you and it can clean up this mess. I'm like, hell yeah, let's give it a shot. What do you say we install it, see how it goes? So this kit comes with two different kinds of installs. One is you can attach it on the wall and it comes with all the hardware to do that. The other is it comes with these really cool stakes so you can stake it into the ground. Just so happens, as you might tell, we have these pavers here, so those stakes won't work. But what will work, and it's a tip for you, is I have these cool little metal stakes, which you see them frequently either on the inflatables for your front yard for the holidays or with tent kits. And those will fit nicely in the corners of these pavers and really lock this down. I would show you how to do that, except Miss Nicole has disappeared for today and she has buried my camping stuff behind all her pottery supplies, which I'm not allowed to touch. So I'm going to show you how far I can get with this because we have a unique situation here. We have we're lucky enough to have a pretty giant pool deck, and I believe this kit will get us all the way to the other side. So I think we should try that, and then we should try curling it up again, retracting it all, and make sure it does that all well before I tell you this thing's amazing. Let's go all the way to the other side, make sure it actually works. Here we go. I don't want to run it through the pool, so let me extend it. All right, it's extended all the way out, and I am absolutely on the other side of the pool here. Oh, I like that. Look at that. So here's the absolute use case for this, right? We have flowers right here on the other side that Nikki needs to be able to water. I can now water them all the way over here while my dog pees on the table. What is wrong with you? But how perfect is that? So now I can clean up the dog pee just as well. Not sure what's wrong with my dog. But okay, now the next test is let's try recoiling it and see if it on its own recoils all nicely right back and I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so we got the whole hose. I just folded it back once on itself, brought it back to where we started here. Let's see what happens. Excuse me, Kona. Excuse me, Kona. Okay, ready? Here we go. You ready for this, buddy? Give me five. Give me five. Okay, there's no way this was anything other than an absolute 5 out of 5. I'm excited to get my beautiful Nikki home so I could just stake it down right here where it's gonna live permanently. That will be so perfect. Look at how nicely that's cleaned up that whole mess. I extended this hose. We could just slide this back so you get a feel for it. That's it right here. Right like that. That's the seam that it's gonna attach to. It's gonna be right there. That is so cool. I don't know what else to say other than that is so cool. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.